Hi guys, just a video on me changing my intake breather pipe. As you can see down at the bottom, it's a bit gunky and dirty. I've noticed there's a bit of play in there. I think it's just a worn out part, it's just a worn out pipe. Releases a bit of the gunk that's just supposed to just filter straight through. So just a video of me replacing it. It's a fairly easy, well, it's really easy just changing that. And here's a video for anyone looking to do it themselves. So let me just tighten this on. Alright, so first I'm gonna get my gloves on, because it is quite dirty down there. And then I'm just gonna remove this. So you just pull it up and then just slide it out. Just gotta be careful. There we go. Stick that to the side there. And as you can see, look, it's dirty, very dirty. So here's the new one. As you can see, it looks quite similar in terms of the clips and whatnot. I think this one's gonna go here, that one's gonna go down there. Yeah, that's right. So keep it to the side. Let's undo this one first. There's a clip here at the top, as you can see. Clip here at the top and one just underneath. Just release that. It's a bit fidgety because it's been on there a while. Well, I don't think it's been changed in ages. So, oh, see, look, already snapped while I was taking it off. And as you can see, look, it's all quite, basically all the bad shit, like the bad shit of like the carbon and like the oil that the engine doesn't want, it just filters it all out through here. So look, broken already. So chuck that away, put that to the side. And now let's get the bottom part out. Let's get more in there. Oops. Alright, so again with 2 fingers, you're gonna have to go top and bottom. Just wiggle it out. There we go. Oh fuck, look, it's all coming apart. And look at the state of that. Ooh. Don't know if you can see in there, but it's quite dirty as well, so I'm gonna put this apart to the side. Gonna get some tissue or something. Let's just clear it out as much as I can. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wrap this around my finger like that. Give it a bit of a clean. Just around that general area, because I don't want the new part starting off in a dirty environment. So literally just wrapping that around my finger, just clean up. Go, and then the same, just get some more tissue. More tissue, wrap it around the finger. Whatever you want, just get that bit of clean. There we go. Just clean the rest of it out as well. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the bottom part in first, because to me that seems the most fidgety. So let's line it up as to where it was before. And then use 2 fingers always. Is that in? Don't tell me I need to mod this. Come on, lad, get in there. know what, it's got a bit of play. Got to be careful with this because I don't want it to snap like the other one. Actually, that's in there now. Yep, that's in there. Alright, and then this one, I'll just bend over and go in over the two clips. Bottom and top, and make sure the bottom one's secure as well. So that's in now. That's fully secure now. Alright. There you go, it's just as simple as that. Just simple as that. So look, it was a bit difficult getting the bottom one on, but it's fine now. I'm thinking about putting the other seals on and stuff like that, but this seems okay. So let's give the engine a go. Let's see what happens. Where's my keys? Yep, all seems okay. All right, perfect.